as we just said, we need to spend a couple of minutes dealing with this. The first line, space-wide, what the process we are dealing with right now. This is first process, which belongs to what? Which belongs to integrated. And also belongs to what? Initiate process group, right? So at least you have to identify yourself. This is the first process in all the projects management is what? Developing project charter. Two characteristics belongs to what? Initiate the process group, right? Read, right?
Yes.
Second belongs to integration knowledge area. So, as we just mentioned at the beginning of the class, in the integrations knowledge areas, 6 process, right? They all commonly use which tool and technologies? Tool and technology use what? Take a look. Expert judgment, right? So they all use expert judgment. As their tool. Because you are developing project charter, the output is what? Project charter. Now, let's take a look on this. There are 5 inputs. Project statement of work, define what the work need to be done. Right? Business need, why we need these projects, right? Business case, right?
Yes.
Because we talk about 7 needs for the projects, right? We have to specify what the business case that we are dealing with. And from this, we know how we request the financial supportings, human resource supportings. Why we need contracts? Don't think the project is also all internally, right? Somehow, it's what? We interface with others, right? For example, everybody know outsourcing? Outsourcing, right? Maybe all the project is outsourcing for somebody else in India or in China. Or part of the project is outsourcing to China, Japan, or Korea, right?
Yes.
So what we need a contract, right? Because contract is what? Belongs to buyer, seller, right? Buyer give the money, seller give the goods, right? Buyer do the what? Provider standard work, right? Maybe our company is doing the contracts, trying is a seller part, right? Our company probably be a seller part, right? We will provide a service to other party, right? So we need to what? Based on project standard work, right? Which is provided by the buyer who give us the money, right? Is that okay?
Yes.
Now, EEF, environmental, what? Enterprise environmental factor, right? EEF is what? Enterprise environmental factors, right? The most important things here, development project charters, at the first step of the project's environmental factor marketing conditions. Marketing conditions is the first that we need to think about as an EEF, enterprise environmental factors. 企业环境因子。Okay, this is anything. This is a project. Right? Anything outside of projects impact the projects. Outside of projects impact the projects. Market conditions is outside the project, right?
Yes.
But a market condition will impact the project, is that right?
Yes.
Because one thing, we probably need to buy something material from the market, right? The market is supply demands conditions decide the price, which will impact our projects, right? Okay. Another EF in the most general cases is the standard and the regulation. Standard is set up by organization, regulation set up by what? Maybe governments, right? That is forcible, right? This is recommended, right? You had better have it. This you have to have it, right? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Then OPA. We just mentioned about this organization process assets is a lesson learned. It's regarding organization structure, organization reporting structures. Also, it's an organization policies.